Hi, Dr. Onsorg. Thank you for taking a few minutes to join and answer some questions. There are a lot of reports talking about the increase in positive COVID-19 cases among school-aged children. Wondering if you can speak a little more to that.
Yes, I'm happy to. We've actually seen that in Santa Barbara County, that for the past couple of weeks already, the most cases were in the age group under 18-year-olds. So that was the first time ever. Previously, it's been in the 20 to 40-year-olds, but now the highest percentage were actually in the ones under 18. It is likely explainable by, schools opening, athletic teams practicing and competing and so forth. So much more mingling with the 18 and younger age group. But it is concerning because they keep basically the pandemic going, and we want to get it under control.
Thank you. That's very interesting and helpful. So knowing that the cases are going up in that age group, do you have any advice or information you can share on how best to protect ourselves, our children, from contracting COVID?
Yeah, the most important thing anybody can do is to get vaccinated. Because once you're vaccinated, you don't have to quarantine after contact, you don't have to undergo surveillance testing. For instance, if you're on an athletic team, you have so much more to do, and you are safe from getting severely ill from COVID. So that is a big plus.
And I've heard that starting next week, the FDA may approve vaccines for a younger age group.
That is exactly right. On Wednesday, the advisory committee for the immunization is meeting, and they will come out with a recommendation to offer it to 12 years and older, starting as soon as late next week.
That's great news, and that's exactly what we need. Last question, wondering if you can speak a bit to what people who are fully vaccinated, because we're having more and more that fall into that group, what people fully vaccinated can do.
Yeah, being fully vaccinated opens up a lot more opportunities to interact and socialize safely. Mother's Day is coming up. People who are fully vaccinated can safely mingle and meet without social distancing, without wearing masks, even indoors. Now, if fully vaccinated people invite over one household of unvaccinated people, let's say grandparents are vaccinated but the children are too young, they can come over for Mother's Day and without masks and social distancing. So that's helpful. In larger settings where it's unclear whether people are vaccinated or not, it's still safer to wear a mask. But there are so many more opportunities to mix and mingle and enjoy life.
Wonderful. It's great to hear. If people have questions about the vaccine or concerns for themselves or their children, they can reach out to the county's vaccine call center by calling 211 and pressing option 4, or getting more information on the public health website. Or the public can ask questions of public health through using Instagram. The address for that is @SBC Public Health. As we close, wondering if there's anything else you would like to share.
Yeah, I just want to thank everybody in the community to, have abided and suffered through this really, really long year. Social distancing, not being allowed to do things that we enjoy. And I think we really have come out the other way now, and it's really looking very differently. And the vaccines, they really brought it to this point. We without the vaccines, we would not be where we are. We would still have trouble in the hospitals, which we don't now. We all have to learn and live with COVID, but the only way for that we can live with it and not COVID take over our lives is if as many people are vaccinated as possible.
Wonderful. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.